Hello, my name is Max Vu, and this is my bike check. We'll start out at the top. These are stock Colt 7.75 bars. The grips, they're just thin grips. I like the thin grips because I feel the bars better. The stem is a stock Colt stem. Even though it's stock, it's really light and could hold up. The headset is a stock headset. The forks are Primo strand forks with a minimal offset. We cut the forks down to make them into 16-inch Primo forks. The tires are stock Kenda tires that came with the Colt Completes. The hub is a Primo N4 FL fronts. The rims are stock 16-inch Colt rims, front and back. The back is a Primo remix that we modified to make a free coaster. The pegs are Colt butter pegs. We cut them down smaller because I'm smaller. The seat is a Odyssey Pivotal Galaxy Series seat. The post is a stock Colt Pivotal post. The pedals are stock plastic pedals. The cranks are Primo Power Bites that we cut down to 135 millimeters. The sprocket is an Odyssey 23 tooth sprocket. The chain is a Shadow half link with custom rust. The frame is a Colt aluminum 16-inch frame that has a shortened rear end. Despite that people think that the aluminum is weak, it is actually very strong. I want to thank Rabo down at Colt for all the Colt stuff that he gave me. I want to thank Eric Stefano at Primo for all the Primo goodies. Thanks for watching my bike check. Subscribe to the Come Up.
Oh fuck. We gotta go to the band. So how do one of these things go? I'm about to name every single part on my BSG Raider.